Hi, welcome to our latest money market update, live here from Trilogy at Seven Summits Lodge here in Tehaleh. My name is David Sturm. I'm a local real estate agent here in Bonney Lake. I work everywhere from the lake to the plateau. And I meet here every Monday to try to give you some insights of what it's like living here, what's going on in the market. If you're thinking about moving here, I'm a local real estate agent. I bought here myself. I like to consider myself an advocate for people moving on in and out of the community. I don't work for Tehaleh. I don't work for the builders. I'm just trying to move in some neighbors to enjoy this wonderful community. And really, it is truly a community. And if you're making a decision to move in and out, hopefully this information is helpful to you. Wherever you're planning on moving to or from, make sure you use a local agent. They'll be your best bet for making sure you're navigating the process as best you can, and they have that local knowledge that can help you, obviously make one of the most important financial decisions of your life. So, without further ado, active listings still remain high. We've still got 153 active listings in Bonney Lake. Last year at this time, we only had 98. 10 homes are here, believe it or not, are over $1 million. Some of them right here in Tehaleh. In fact, the most expensive house that sold last week was an Azure property, a $1.3 million home right here in Tehaleh. What made it unique is got 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths on a 20,000 square foot lot. So just a huge house for Tehaleh and very unique. Maybe we'll see more of those in the Glacier Peak community when it opens up sometime next year. Anyway, there are 96 resales on the market right now. That's twice as many as last year. And the interesting thing is there's only 97 pending homes. Last year at this time, there were 200 pending homes at this time. So a little slowdown here. We have more buyers than we've had in a long, more sellers we've had in a long time, and less buyers than we've had in a long time. So if you can, you should. There's still opportunity to make some deals. And there's been I think there's 42 canceled listings recently. So that's outrageous. There were 0 last year. So more and more sellers are deciding just to wait. And that's a real difference than a year ago when there were none. What's happening is some buyers are making lowball offers, and that's not really the strategy I would suggest. Reach out to me, give me a call below. I'll give you another strategy that's working well for my buyers. That's in lieu of a price reduction. I think we can make that happen for you, even with this crazy market. I've got some slides to show you here as well. I have a concierge approach to it, so just give me a call below at the number. I'll show you around, set you up some private tours, give you an insider's look at what it's like living here. I'm a local agent, but I'm also a resident here. I invested here about 4 years ago now, and couldn't be happier. But check out my Trail Talks in Tehaleh if you haven't, and check into my money market updates every Monday here. Call the number below. I'll set up a private tour for you. I think we have Patty and Gabe coming up tonight to move into their new home here in Tehaleh today, and hopefully we can make that happen for them today. There's a lot of moving parts with that, but we'll do our best we can to get them in. And some slides here just to show you some general market dynamics that are going on. Everybody's talking about interest rates, and yes, they are crazy. This is the last 10 years here. You can see where they kind of remained somewhat stable and then got really, really low, and now they've got really, really high, above 6%. But the expectation is that they're going to level off a little bit here, and hopefully the next slide will kind of reveal some of that optimism that may be happening. Is that we think that the inflation rate is peaked. Hopefully we'll see that come down. We're also thinking of interest rates coming down next year, and buyers who can get in now should get in now. If you can handle that couple $200 to $300 more a month, that might be the best way to go. And then refinance in a year. If you wait till next year, everybody else is going to wait for next year, and interest rates drop, then you're back in the same boat where you're competing with more and more buyers. Right now, that's not the case. Anyway, so give me a ring. I'll show you around. Love to share my experience with you, get you in touch with some of my clients to help you make a decision on whether or not you should move here. And until you get here, I'll see you then.